Today's method is what is recently trending, which means that today and then this time and day is the best time to actually try it out and use it to your advantage. Today's method is going to pay you real money into your PayPal account. You're not going to have to do any affiliate marketing or selling. You're not going to have to promote anything. And this has nothing to do with YouTube, Facebook, or literally any other platform that would be alike to the ones that I just mentioned. Our method for today is going to be available to everyone around the world, and that is why I know that you guys are going to love it so much. So make sure that you watch this entire video until the very last second of it to know everything that you need to know and to come out successful with today's method. Hey y'all, it's Digital Money Queen here. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of the family and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time I have a new video up and ready for you. Don't forget to like this video and let's jump right into it. So, as I have told you guys earlier, you are going to be paid in PayPal by today's platform. So, we're going to start by going to paypal.com and actually creating a PayPal account. Now, as we all know and can see, PayPal actually works in 200 countries, which is why we are pretty sure that it is definitely going to work in your country as well. Now, our next and our main platform is, of course, Google. And as we've just mentioned, we are going to be getting paid today just by using a very simple and brand new Google trick. So what we want you to do is actually go to Google, and then you're going to be searching up things just like cute cats, cute dogs, beautiful landscapes, nature, and whatnot. And all you want to do is find like really good looking photos. And this is the thing. You're going to want them in like a lot of different sizes. So you're going to want photos that are all very different from each other. And later on, we're going to explain how this makes sense as soon as we reach our third website. So in this case, okay, we're going to look for cute cats, okay? Now, before you're going to download a photo, you're going to want to have to click on the tool button right here. Then you're going to see usage rights, correct? And you're going to click on that, and then you're going to select Creative Commons. Now, as some of you might have already guessed it, this Google trick that we were talking about, this is it, okay? It's something that not a lot of people know about. And that is what it does, is that it actually gives you permission to use any of the photos freely. So if you download the photos and use them, they're going to be taken down for violating copyright. But now you can actually use any of the photos under this certain filter that we just taught you for completely free. And from there, all you need to do is find a nice looking photo and find your best pick, right click on it, and then click on Save Image As, and after that you should look for something different. So if you saved like a cute cat photo, you're gonna then look for another photo, go through the same process, saving the images, and do it until you have like 10 images or maybe 5 images, and with like very unrelated like concepts and stuff like that. And finally, you're going to want to make your way over to the platform. Now, we've mentioned it like a lot of times. This is our platform that is really going to pay us, okay? To the newcomers, where are y'all from? I would love to know. Comment it down below so I can use it as reference for my future videos as well. Now, let's continue. Our website is called clickasnap.com. And you're actually going to see that this website pays you to share, sign up, and get paid for your content. Your content is those photos that you actually found on Google that are free of use. And you didn't even have to take them yourself. So this is how it's gonna work, okay? You're going to pass or submit an image to this website, and every time someone is gonna view it, they are going to notice a few ads on the side of the image, maybe, and the website is actually gonna portion the ad revenue with you, the person who uploaded that photo. Now, we're assuming that most of you watching today's video, it's either you don't have a camera or you don't really know how to take any photos, right? And simply just taking the photos yourself, it would definitely be a better choice because it's more original and it's yours and you have no problem with copyright. But then again, you are probably watching this because you want to earn money. You're not a photographer. So as we previously stated, this platform has been around for a long time and it wasn't really trendy or in back then, but for some reason recently it just like boomed and bloomed. And as we've mentioned in the introduction, it now receives like 1 million visitors. And we also like remember that it paid very much less money before per image uploaded. But now it already pays you 70 cents. Now this used to only pay out 15 cents. Now you may think 70 cents is not a lot of money, but trust me, once accumulated, literally if 100 people actually look at your photo, that's almost $70 passively. And the website, it gets a lot of millions and millions of visitors. So you're definitely going to get a decent amount of views, and that means a decent amount of money as well. So now is definitely the time that you try it out so you can really make the most out of it. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me a 2 thumbs up before the video ends later on so that I'll know you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. In any case, you can actually find more information about payment on this page right here. Now, as you can see that the minimum payout is $15. Now, it's not the lowest payout, but it's not bad either. Now, before we move on to the next website, we're going to show you the numbers that are available on the platform. Now, we've shown it a lot of times, and it's called SimilarWeb. And as you can see, last month, ClickASnap got nearly 2.3 million visits. You're going to see that the website has like a lot of visitors in the past 6 months. The site already got 350,000 visits just in January of 2020, which was not even so long ago. This already increased to 2.7 million in the month of February. And right now we are at 2.3 million. So as we mentioned, the site is literally still growing from when it's already grown, right? Which means really today is the best time than ever. So make sure that you really try this out, all right? Now, you can still make thousands of dollars on this website, even though you think 70 cents is not a lot. But trust us, you just have to try it yourself and you're gonna be blown away. Now, you're gonna earn like more than $10,000 a month without a doubt. Anyway, going back to ClickASnap, okay, what you're gonna do is to sign up, okay, for free. And from there, you can actually sign up through or using your Facebook, your Google, your Twitter, or you can just sign up using your email and enter in your email address. Then you're gonna create an account by entering a username, your password, agreeing to the terms, and as soon as you're done, there's one catch that you have to remember: it's not free. If this site, which is equivalent to just under $3 per month, okay, £2, which is equal to $3 per month, so people can watch you post your photos, and literally you're gonna earn from that. Now, many of you might be a little saddened by this news, but just imagine you pay as little as $3 and you can simply use Google to upload 10 images every single day or even more. And once you've gathered and collected a few dozen images, you're going to be able to make thousands of dollars passively because a lot of people are literally discovering this website every single day. And even like older photos, they can still be viewed like years, months after they're uploaded. And so you just have to trust that this is such a great opportunity for you guys. If you miss it, we don't know what's going to happen to you anymore. But that's basically what concludes today's video. Hope you guys like it, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video because I definitely enjoyed discovering and creating it. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking off because my next video is going to be awesome and you wouldn't want to miss that. Please give me 2 thumbs up to show me your love and hit the bell button so that you'll be kept up to date. Love y'all. See you in the next one.